Hello friends and welcome to this new course. This course will be a special one because we will talk only about creating the connection between the PostgreSQL and these different platforms. I'm getting some requests from many developers. Some work with Python, some work with Flutter. And obviously when they change the platform they are using, for instance, if I'm using a Python and I want to change to Flutter, does the connection can be done the same? Obviously no. Same with I'm working with the iOS and I want to change to work with the web using Spring Boot. Is the connection with the Postgres will be the same? Obviously not. So because of this many platforms available nowadays, so I decided to make this course, which is a collection of one-stop shop for all these connections for all these different platforms. Now I have selected the main platforms which is in use right now, Flutter, iOS, Python, Spring Boot, as well as the two main cloud platforms, which are the Superbase and the AWS of Amazon. So this course will be only for this point. And in each video we'll see how we can connect the PostgreSQL database with one of these platforms. I hope you enjoy this course. Thank you for watching.